The shocking truth about money problems. Imagine this. You check your bank account, and the balance is terrifying. Bills are due, your car needs gas and rent. Well, let's just say your landlord won't accept good vibes as payment. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, and when an emergency hits, boom, panic mode. But what if I told you that within 72 hours you could flip your situation around? Whether you need $100, $500, or even $1,000 fast, I've got real, practical, and proven methods to get you cash today. And no, it's not one of those scammy work-from-home schemes. So, if you need fast money, keep watching, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to go from broke to banking. Step 1. Sell stuff you already own, fastest method. Let's start with the low-hanging fruit. Items you don't even use. Your old iPhone, that designer bag collecting dust, or even a gaming console you haven't touched since 2020. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace, instant cash from local buyers. OfferUp and Craigslist, post and get offers within hours. Pawn shops, walk in, walk out with cash, no waiting. Pro tip, price it slightly lower than similar listings. Buyers love a deal, and you'll sell it faster. Real example. I listed an old laptop on Facebook Marketplace, priced it $20 under competitors, and sold it within 3 hours for $300 cash. Step 2, gig economy, get paid in hours. If you have a car, a bike, or even just 2 feet, you can start earning today. Fastest paying gig apps. Uber and Lyft. Drive people, get paid daily. DoorDash, Instacart, Uber Eats, deliver food, same-day cash-outs. TaskRabbit and Handy. Get paid for odd jobs like moving furniture, assembling IKEA nightmares, or fixing stuff. How to start? Fast. 1. Sign up. Approval usually within 24 hours. 2. Choose high-demand shifts. Weekends and evenings pay the most. 3. Turn on instant cash out. Get paid immediately after each gig. Pro tip, stack apps. Drive for Uber and DoorDash at the same time. More gigs equals more money. Step 3. Get paid for easy online tasks. Don't feel like leaving home? Cool. There are websites that literally pay you for easy stuff. Best websites for quick cash, UserTesting. Get paid $10 to $20 for giving feedback on websites. Rev and Transcribe Me. Earn $15 to $25 hour transcribing audio. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Simple micro tasks, surveys, data entry, etc. How to start? 1. Create an account. 2. Complete a short test for transcription sites. 3. Start getting paid for small tasks. Some pay within 24 hours. Pro tip, combine these with gig apps for maximum income. Step 4. Sell your skills for fast cash. If you can write, design, edit videos, or even just do basic tasks, freelancing could be your golden ticket. Best freelance platforms: Fiverr, quick gigs, logo design, writing, voiceovers. Upwork, higher paying long-term clients. People per hour. Get hired for small tasks fast. Pro tip, offer express delivery on Fiverr. People pay extra for fast work. Step 5, plasma donation. Get paid to save lives. Want to make $50, $100 today without even working? Donate plasma. How it works. 1. Find a local plasma center. CSL Plasma, BioLife, Octapharma. 2. Go in, get screened, and donate 60 to 90 mins. 3. Get paid. Usually $50 plus per visit, sometimes more for first-time donors. Pro tip, some centers offer $500 bonuses for multiple donations in a month. Step 6. Quick short-term loans. Only if necessary. If you need cash right now but don't want to get trapped in payday loan debt, here are safer alternatives. Best fast cash options: Earnin, Dave, Brigit. Instant cash advance apps, low fees. Pawn shop loans. Get money for valuables without selling. Local credit unions. Small emergency loans. Lower interest rates than payday loans. Pro tip, only borrow what you can pay back within 1 to 2 weeks to avoid fees. Step 7. Temporary and part-time jobs for consistent income. Need a steady income boost? These industries hire fast and pay weekly. Warehouse jobs. Amazon, UPS, FedEx, quick hiring. Fast food and restaurants, always looking for workers. Event staffing, concerts, sports events. Need workers ASAP. Temp agencies, sign up and get placed within days. Pro tip, call local warehouses directly. They often hire faster than online applications. Step 8, rent out stuff you own. Easy passive income. Got an extra room? A car? Even just tools? People will pay you to use them. Turo, rent out your car, a $50-$100 day. Airbnb, list a spare room. Easy $500 plus month. Fat Llama, rent out cameras, tools, electronics. Pro tip, list on multiple platforms for maximum exposure. Final thoughts, which method should you choose? Need money today? Sell items, gig apps, plasma donation. Need money this week? Freelancing, temp jobs, renting assets. Need long-term stability? Freelancing, side businesses, better paying jobs. The key? Take action. If you do nothing, your bank account won't magically grow. But if you try just one of these methods, you could have extra cash in your pocket by tonight. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe and share, because let's be real, we all know someone who needs this right now. See you on the next video.